Hi, this is Manisha Badle. Today we'll learn a few practices which will help you tone your stomach. We'll start. Both our legs straight, spine is erect. We'll do Paschimottanasana. Hands up, spine is erect. Exhale and down. Hold your toes, feet, head down. Up. Relax. We'll spread our legs in V. We'll hold our toes. Head down. We're trying to press and head down. Wherever your hand reaches is fine. We'll observe the stretch on our back and legs. Relax. Now, we'll have our hands straight. Align to our shoulders. Right hand holding your left toe and look back. Now, other side. Relax. One more exercise. Hands up. We'll touch our right toes. We'll come up. Now left side. Up and relax. You can do all these practices at least 10 times to start with to have a toned stomach. I hope this helps. Thank you.